Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, Google Autofill is definitely off. But you can always switch it back on by choosing the same, now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!